Hey, welcome to Bigfoot's Cave. This is going to be a little short one because I kind of goofed a little. I kind of forgot to record while I was cleaning up some sockets from Jacktown. Didn't think about it. I grabbed one, started cleaning. One led to two, led to the next thing I know is uh, all the Mustang sockets got cleaned up. So it's like, oops. So, it is what it is. Uh, hope you like the transformation. I think I did pretty good on it. Happy with how they came out. Even fixed the sliding T-bar 98% of the way. Still needs a little tweaking and tuning, but it's usable, it's functional. One thing, George, you want to watch David West Highland Shops. They're the ones that give me the sockets. You want to hang out? Let's check it out. Mustang. This is going to be awesome to put together. It's funny because I have tidied up a few Mustangs that I have not found recently. And magically, here's another Mustang. And another Mustang. And another Mustang. These are the three bigger of the Mustangs for a basic set. Got this. And this may take awesome to a whole new level because this is a whole pile of Mustang sockets. Same series, same generation. And there might be enough with all of this that I have not opened this or looked at them, so this is all of us together, first time out. I may have close to enough of this generation to almost make a complete set for these. So between you want to watch, West Highland Shop, I may have a set of Mustangs, and I'm not into collecting for a set, but I think you two got me going towards making sets now, which is not a bad thing. There's a 1/2 inch, that's pennants, but this is going to be awesome. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so much fun to clean these up. Hex drive. I recognize the shallow tops. These, I do have a pile of the smaller hex drives, and oh, that's a Mustang. Another Mustang. I can't see that one. This is made in the USA. Oh, that's Mustang. Well, guess what? That one kind of goes around the corner. I don't have a dake. I just got a Harbor Freight, but I bet I can straighten this up and make this look good. Bring it all back to life again. So thank you very much. You guys are probably going to get me into collecting sets of stuff now, which is not a bad thing, but it's not a good thing. You know how it is. That is more Mustang stuff that I've seen firsthand than all of the stuff I've acquired over the years. I can't wait to clean these up, and then I'll get a video show you guys how well they turned out. Hey, welcome back to the cave. Sorry about the mic snafu. I just forgot to turn it back on. So these are the sockets. I still have the Allens that Georgie, you want to watch. David at West Highland Shops give me at Jacktown. Here's a little quarter drive sliding T-bar. Slides pretty good. Still got a little bit of a bend in it, but at least it's not going around the corner like it used to. Probably need to address that just there, but it still works. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Ball detents oiled, cleaned up, no grime in it. 8-point Mustang quarter Mustang. 5/16. This is all Mustang actually, so I know you saying that over and over again. 9/32. Another 9/32. So far they're all tidied up. Definitely don't look like the way they started. 3/8. This one was battered. It was in really rough shape. Last of the 1/4 inch is 7/16. Offset printing or stamping. Looks like it shifted wrong, but really good shape. Now for the cool. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces. All similar series. This one's a little worn. All 1/2 inch. 9/16. 12-point. Good shape. 19/32. 5/8. 11/16. This one's a little hammered, but cleaned up pretty good. 3/4. 25/32. 13/16. 7/8. It's got a little bit of lumpy bumpy in it, like right in there too. Even on the bottom, which is weird. 15/16. And then 1 inch. For their age and the condition, I think they came out pretty daggone good. Very happy with how they cleaned up. Thank you, George. Thank you, David. That was a whole lot of fun cleaning up. And between the two of you, I almost have a complete basic 1/2 inch set all right off the bat. I just got to dig through the history books. I'm sure these are not new. Figure out what a 1/2 inch complete set is. This one's pretty wild. Wasn't sure I was going to be able to get this straight, or at least even get it to slide back and forth anymore. That's got to be the smallest sliding T-bar I've got yet. And then the stray pennons, half inch, half. Cleaned up pretty good. That one's definitely been used a lot, but it's still got a lot of life left in it. So as I practice my abilities to clean and tidy stuff up, this is probably some of the best work I've done yet. Appreciate it. Everybody have a good day. Good luck in the hunt.